Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. But now let's waste no more time and get right in today's very important topic regarding Pepe. We have seen Pepe see a significant move towards the downside. And if you guys did watch my previous update, which was just yesterday, you guys can see this for yourself if I bring it out for you guys. I said huge warning because, we did see Pepe holding at some very, very critical support lines, and we did end up losing that support and saw the price of Pepe fall sharply about 20%. And what exactly is causing that? Because we haven't really seen a massive drop in Bitcoin's price. We've been targeting Bitcoin and potentially could be reaching down to 22,000 level of support if the $25,000 support line is lost. But we have a lot to talk about, so if you do hold Pepe, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. So look at it right now, guys. It's down 16.1% on the daily time frame. If you're looking at the price, we can see once again we have 6 zeros in front of Pepe, currently sitting at 889673, down 16% in all three comparatives: USD, Bitcoin, and ETH. And if we're looking at its market cap, $375 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is also currently sitting at 300 million. So what exactly is happening? We're going to talk about that right now. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So, we usually, since the launch of Pepe, we have pretty much seen, the holder count, the amount of new investors that are coming in for Pepe just increasing. But we did see quite a significant drop in the holders just yesterday, and the reason as to why this is happening is something that I discussed with you guys yesterday. And if this is true, guys, this could really change the entire outlook on Pepe. And in my opinion, we did see some tweets going around, people speculating, and these tweets are gaining a massive amounts of momentum. And what really is going around the crypto space is that Pepe is launched by Sam Bankman-Fried. If you guys are not familiar with Sam Bankman-Fried, he was the founder of FTX, which collapsed last year. And people are saying that he is behind this. And now you might be, as an investor, saying, oh, how could you say that? How could you tell that? The people that are tweeting about this are saying that, last tweet from Pepe, which I explained yesterday in my update, and I also said, Pepe, team needs to start taking things seriously. With such a massive community, you can't be getting, comfortable. You can't be getting, just easy. Like, you can't just be chilling. Basically, that's what I was saying in my previous video, and that's been the case for quite some time. And there's been some tweets flowing around that are saying that August 11th obviously was the last tweet from Pepe. They've barely tweeted, they're barely engaging with their community. And the craziest thing is that Sam Bankman-Fried was arrested and jailed on August 11th. You can see this for yourself. Sam Bankman-Fried is set to jail over, the witness tampering, and you can see this August 11th, 2023. This is the official date when he went to jail. So a lot of people are saying now, and this news is really gaining a lot of traction that he is behind this. Again, there's no confirmation whatsoever, but what we're seeing happening right now is, as these tweets are really making headlines, and I think they will continue to make headlines if this really is the case. Because now, guys, the scariest part right now is that they haven't seen, even after these alleged speculation that are going around that Sam Bankman-Fried could potentially be the developer of Pepe. We would expect Pepe to come out and knock all these rumors away, but we still haven't seen any tweet from them. So this is really frustrating. Hopefully we do hear something from them, but this is going to be really interesting to see how this plays out. Because going back to all my videos, one thing I always said was, obviously the community is massive. It has everything built for itself to really get to that Shiba Inu's level, because of course community is one of the biggest things. getting recognition from the bigger exchanges. That's what it has for itself. But one thing I always criticize was that there's a lack of tweets. So this is really interesting. This is really important, guys. In my opinion, if you're still sitting at some very massive amounts of profits, do lock some of those profits in, or your initial investments, because that is what I'm starting to see happening right now with Pepe. But let's see what is happening with the price as far as the price is concerned. So you can see this for yourself. We did see this massive drop happen from just yesterday. We saw a significant drop in Pepe here. Let me give you guys the exact amount. So we were around this range. We saw Pepe drop 25% in a single day. Obviously, that was a huge level of support. I'm very surprised how this level of support did not play out too long for us. We did get held by here for a few minutes, but the sell pressure was too high, and Pepe is once again retesting its lows from June. So this is the case right now, guys. This is a very important. Bitcoin right now, obviously hovering below 26K for quite some time, for a few days now at this point. But remember, if Bitcoin were to lose this 25K support line, there is a chance that 22,000 could be on the table to retest before we do start to see continuous highs. And obviously Bitcoin dominance still hanging around that 49.1%. So not much happening as far as Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance. But one thing that we do need to keep in mind is Pepe right now holding at some very critical levels of support. And if we were to hear some more negative news come out, this could really cause the price of Pepe to see more downside. Obviously, I don't want to see that, nor do I want my Pepe community to feel this, but these are the risk factors associated with any project that you invest. That's why you always want to be doing your due diligence and research, and some things are just not in anyone's control. And we will see what happens. But Pepe, if they are not associated with Sam Bankman-Fried, they need to come out and tweet about this as soon as possible. If not, I am expecting that this could see more downside, which obviously is not a good thing. I want to hear from you guys in the comment section. What are your personal thoughts? Do you guys think you might have some information that I might not know? What do you think? I want to know from you guys in the comment section. I really think in the next few hours we need to see Pepe, obviously Twitter come out and tweet something to really kind of calm people down. If not, as this news really get to the masses, this could really impact Pepe even more. So let me know down below your personal thoughts. Thank you so much for all your support. I love each and every one of you guys. We will explore and monitor the situation very closely. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.